Tiny apartments of modern metropolitan cities can barely fit a proper-sized bed, let alone a bicycle. But this is where folding models come into play. With their collapsible frames and compact sizes, these bikes can squeeze into a closet, a car trunk, or can be taken on a subway without disturbing the fellow commuters. Today we prepared for you a lineup of new folding electric bicycles that won't let you break a sweat when getting to your destination. Support the electric revolution by subscribing to our channel, and let's get technical. Already well known for their folding e-bikes and e-scooters, the Hong Kong-based manufacturer tries to incorporate user feedback into development of every new model, making them incrementally better than before. As a result, the brand's most recent build, the Fiido X, offers optimized performance, gets a hidden folding mechanism, and introduces several novel features. The model's frame is made from magnesium alloy, its welded joints become smoother, and the removable battery features a new lock with a keypad. The bike gets two modifications. The X Lite features a 250-watt motor, 209 watt-hour of battery capacity, and a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour, while the US-focused X is motivated by a combo of a 350-watt motor and a 418 watt-hour pack, providing speeds up to 19.2 miles per hour. Both are equipped with torque sensors, integrated lights, and water-resistant LED displays.
The best folding electric fat tire bike, as per the respected Electric Bike Reviews rating, is getting a second generation. In an attempt to become twice as good, this full transportation solution utilizes the feedback collected from a 10,000-strong community of buyers. Firstly, the 20-inch tires get chubbier and now provide height and agility with 3-inch thickness. Secondly, a variable front oil suspension and wider handlebars ensure a more relaxed ride, while mounting points for racks, baskets, and a bike lock significantly boost the utility of this two-wheeler. The affordable electric 2.0 keeps its brushless rear hub motor that peaks at 800 watt, and the 460 watt-hour battery pack allows to cover 45 miles. From now on, all the electric components are IP65 rated for greater water and dust resistance, plus the model receives a new paint scheme.
The first Brompton bike was built in London in 1975 by Andrew Ritchie, and in 50 years, the company has grown to become the UK's largest manufacturer of bicycles, with 45,000 units produced yearly. The Brompton electric line includes H and M types with 2- and 6-speed transmissions. The bike folds to a third of their size, and despite being built around a steel frame, keeps the weight below 40 pounds with the battery included. The Brompton two-wheeler puts to work a front-mounted hub motor with intelligent pedal assist, so you will arrive to work fresh any day. Your commute will be limited by a 45-mile range at the speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Among the available colors are Turkish green, bold blue, and black. That like button won't smash itself, so give it a proper tap to support the EV movement. Thanks in advance, and let's get back to it. The A20F occupies the flagship position in Eido's range, offering more power than its lower-grade siblings while also retaining their affordable pricing. The bike comes generously equipped with a 500-watt motor and 36-volt battery with 375 watt-hour capacity. This means that depending on the type of terrain and your riding style, this tandem will propel the A20F for 50 miles in pedal assist mode or 25 on throttle alone, and will pick up 25 miles per hour top speeds. The bike also arrives standard with an adjustable fork suspension, integrated headlight, dual disc brakes, and an LCD screen.
With e-bikes evolving so fast, it would be foolish of us to state that the Fiido is the most compact foldable electric bicycle, but it definitely raises the bar of lightness and ergonomics in the daily commuting segment. The Japanese startup uses carbon fiber for the frame, while the 7 amp-hour battery is fitted into the C-post. If you opt for more expensive EOS S model, the carbon treatment will be also applied to the handlebar and the aforementioned C-post. This option decreases the bike's net weight to impressive 28 pounds, including the battery. The Oli can cover almost 30 miles in pedal assist mode, but you can double that with the optional bottle-mounted battery.
The fat tire e-bikes from the Yami inspire confidence on all fronts, offering plenty of power as well as patented IPAS regeneration technology. The latter recharges the battery cells during braking, but also transforms the kinetic energy from going downhill or during gliding. In real-world condition, you can replenish up to 60% of the battery capacity and cover up to 100 miles of range on a proper route. The bike's 750-watt motors generates 48 pound-feet of peak torque and guarantees that going uphill is an easy feat from the XL and the Fat Bear. Finally, the full suspension setup and all-terrain tires provide much-needed confidence on rough surfaces. The compact, quick-folding e-bike from the California-based Blix becomes even more attractive in 2021. The model brings new 20-inch wheels and a bigger 2.4-inch tires, which ensures comfortable riding beyond smooth roadways. Owing to its low frame and upright seating position, the Vika Plus fits literally any rider. While its generous list of standard features includes integrated LED front and rear lights, aluminum fenders, and a rear rack, to give the rear wheel proper spin, Blix uses a strong 500-watt motor, wired to a high-voltage 672 watt-hour battery. Such combination offers nearly 45 miles of range and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. Launched by the Indian startup of the same name, the Switchbike offers 3 modifications: the all-terrain XE and XE Plus riding on fat 4-inch Kenda tires, or the MXE with lightweight, thin rubber. All share the same 6061 aluminum frame and folding construction, while the brushless DC motor with 250 watts is responsible for providing speeds of 15.5 miles per hour. The MXE gets the smallest 418 watt-hour pack, while the XE e-bikes offers 3 battery options, proving up to 75 miles of pedal assist on a single charge. You can choose between 5 bright color options. The bikes get standard 300 lux LED headlight, and the flagship XE Plus also features a colorful LCD display. With a dozen years of continuous production, GoCycle is no longer an up-and-coming startup, but rather a gold standard within the segment of premium lightweight foldable e-bikes. The G4 generation raises the bar even higher by introducing the new generation of the electric drive with 500 or 250 watt output, traction control, and torque sensing. The patented clean drive Shimano Nexus 3-speed transmission has electronic predictive shifting, which further optimizes the pedal assist and minimizes the rider's efforts. To keep up with its lightweight reputation, the bike gets a 6061 aluminum alloy frame with carbon fiber midframe. Overall, the mass is a little shy of 37 pounds, while the maximum rider's weight is limited to 220. The final highlight of the electric bicycle is the proprietary single-sided carbon fiber fixed front suspension and the GoCycle lock shock in the rear. As always, we encourage you to participate in the conversation below the video and discuss the presented lineup. Which EV is your favorite? And did we miss any other high-quality units? Like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and continue your exploration of the electric world by following the links on the screen. See you soon.